Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Call of Duty account. So if you've been using Call of Duty account for a certain while and playing different forms of games and were a part of this wonderful franchise but no longer want to serve this purpose and want to permanently delete your account, you have to stick with me till the end of this video to find out how exactly you can do that. So for this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to callofduty.com. As you go to callofduty.com, on the upper right hand side, there are three horizontal lines. When you tap on it, you will see an option that says profile. As you tap on profile, you land on a section that looks like this. Amongst the various options that are available to you, like account linking, basic info, preferences, and privacy and security, tap on preferences and then scroll down bit by bit. As you scroll down, you will now see an option that is related with deactivation of your account. So currently, it says here that due to developing additional security features, the temporarily disabled account feature has been removed from Call of Duty. But if you wish to delete your account, you can proceed towards privacy and data protection. So tap on privacy and data protection. As soon as you do that, you'll now be taken towards a completely new web browser that will show you some sort of support in order to delete your account. So amongst the two options that are available to you here, tap on submit a new request and then scroll downwards, read through every information that has been given over here, and then select the country of your residence. So here I'm just going to select the country of my residence. Make sure that you select the country of your residence and that it's a true country, and then tap on the box and then tap on proceed to privacy and data protection portal. After you tap on proceed to privacy and data protection portal, you will now land on a page that will look something like this. So when you land here, you will have to now tap on delete my personal information by exercising your right to eraser. And after that, when you land on a page like this, you have to select the account that you want to delete all of your information for. So I'm just going to select this particular account and then enter my email address and password. And then also give in your password. Make sure that you enter the correct password. So here, after doing this, tap on login. And then as you log in, a tick mark will be shown on the screen. Now what you can do is you can simply tap on I am not a robot and also tap on I accept Activision's terms of use and then tap on delete my personal information. After you tap on delete my personal information and use your right to eraser, you land on a page like this that will let you know that everything to your Activision account, everything that is linked to your Call of Duty will now get permanently removed and that this action is not reversible. So after you tick mark this particular box, tap on delete my personal information, and after that wait for every single process to complete, which will now lead you towards an interface that will look something like this. So here it says that request to delete personal information has now been submitted. So your case will be updated and you can just send in your email address over here. So I'm just going to type in my email address over here so that I get notified of the progress that gets made. So here you've already sent your request, and in this way, within a few days' time, you will receive an email from Call of Duty, and that is how your account can get permanently deleted. So I hope this video has been useful to you in deletion of your own Call of Duty account. If it was helpful, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you around next time.